Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer matrix of size R cross C, which contains integers from 1 to 9, and consider each 3 cross 3 submatrix, and if the submatrix contains all the digits from 1 to 9, then we have to sort them, that is, sort the submatrix in ascending order. And finally, we have to print the submatrix as the output. And we have also given a note that R and C is divisible by 3. So first we have to go into accept the integer matrix of size R cross C, which contains integers from 1 to 9, and consider each 3 cross 3 submatrix. And if the submatrix contains all the digits from 1 to 9, then we are going to sort them, that is, sort the integers of the submatrix in ascending order. And finally, we are going to print the submatrix. And we have also given a note that R and C is divisible by 3. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case, we have a 6 cross 6 matrix. Now we'll consider each 3 cross 3 submatrix and check whether it contains digits from 1 to 9. So when we consider this submatrix, so in this submatrix we can see that 8 is being repeated, and also 1 is not present, 2 is not present. So this submatrix cannot be taken. So we'll move to the next 3 cross 3 submatrix. Here we can see that 1 is present, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the integers are present from 1 to 9. So we can sort them in ascending order. Seven, 8, 9. So yes, we have sorted them in ascending order. And here also we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the integers from 1 to 9 are present. So we can sort them in ascending order. So yes, and now in this 3 cross 3 submatrix, 1 is present, 2 is present, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not present. So this submatrix cannot be taken. And so finally, this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So here we have a 6 cross 9 matrix. Let us consider the first 3 cross 3 submatrix. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the integers from 1 to 9 are present. So we'll arrange them in ascending order. And then here we can see that 3 is being repeated for 2 times, and also some integers are not present. So we'll move to the next 3 cross 3 submatrix. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have all the integers. So we'll arrange them in ascending order. And then we'll move to the next 3 cross 3 submatrix. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll arrange them in ascending order. And in this 3 cross 3 submatrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll arrange them in ascending order. And here we have 7 is been repeated for 1 time and 8 is been repeated for 1 time. So this will be our final output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First, we are going to accept the input integer R and C, and then we'll accept the integers matrix. So after getting our inputs, now we are going to iterate over the matrix and get our 3 cross 3 submatrix. So for row from 0 to R, where the step count is 3, and similarly for column from 0 to C, where the step count is 3. And here we'll have a array, and we'll iterate over the 3 cross 3 submatrix now, that is for S row from row to row plus 3, and for S column, column to column plus 3. And after iterating through the 3 cross 3 submatrix, we'll add it to the array, that is array dot append of the matrix of S row, S column. And now we are going to check our condition whether all the integers from 1 to 9 are present in the 3 cross 3 submatrix or not. So for that, if the length of the set of array is equal to 9, means that is, this will make sure that all the integers from 1 to 9 are present in the 3 cross 3 submatrix. So if it is present, then we'll have the variable num equal to 1, and we'll again iterate over the 3 cross 3 submatrix and assign the matrix of S row and S column to the num and increment the num by 1. And finally, we'll print the matrix as the output. So we are appending the array with the matrix of S row and S column, and if the integers from 1 to 9 are present, then we'll have a variable num equal to 1, and we'll iterate over the 3 cross 3 submatrix and assign the matrix of S row S column to num and increment the num by 1, and finally we'll print the matrix.